It's 82 degrees right now, and we do have a few clouds out and about. Winds are 10 miles per hour from the southeast. Those will also pick up today, up to over 20 miles per hour sustained. Out of the southeast, we may gust up to around 25 miles per hour at times. Had a little bank of high altitude cirrus clouds drift overhead overnight. Those are off the tops of some thunderstorms that were over the Sierra Madres. Those are all gone, and we are rain free locally this morning. This is that high pressure feature that's going to work into the Texas Gulf Coast region over the weekend. That's going to be the feature that keeps things dry. It's also going to be hot, humid, and a little hazy with the Saharan dust here for the next few days. Now into the late parts of next week, a little disturbance is going to try to get into the northern Gulf of Mexico, and some of the longer range weather guidance is suggesting the possibility of something tropical trying to organize. This is the European model. I'm not to the point where I'm ready to say this is going to happen for sure, but I am at the point where I think I need to watch this but not worry about it. This is still about a week from anything at all happening. The other model that we look at, the GFS, also has something, but it's a little farther to the west over near the Louisiana or Texas-Louisiana border. So this is something that we're going to watch for sure very closely over the weekend and into early next week. But again, it's not something to worry about at this point. And climatologically, historically speaking, the northern Gulf or the southeastern Atlantic coastlines, that's where most of the tropical spin-ups tend to take place. Again, that's just historic data, not saying that it's going to happen, but you know, it's not unusual to see something like that, at least the possibility for it in the month of July. Saharan dust now, we're going to see a little reduction of it by Sunday, which will be some good news. It's been very pesky here the last few weeks, and we may see a bluer sky with less dust in the air come Sunday. Today it's going to be hazy sunshine with temperatures in the middle 90s across the area. Heat index values 105 to 110 not only today but right on into and through the weekend ahead. 93 on the high temperature, hazy sunshine. It'll be breezy outside, not as strong on the winds as yesterday, but still a southeast 12 to 22 mile per hour breeze. Tonight it stays with us, but 7 to 14 on the wind speeds there. 78 the forecast low. It'll be a mostly clear, warm, and humid evening. First Friday Art Walk is also tonight, and it's going to be no problem at all to be out there with respect to weather. 93 tomorrow with Saharan dust still in place. We'll see less of it by Sunday, and temperatures running above seasonal normal by about 3 to 5 degrees over the next 7 days. Kristen?